Welcome to LearnRite Biology. We are still with a level of organization of life. We are just done with organ system in mammals. Organ system in mammals. We said the system is made up of several organs that work together to perform a particular function. Let us look at organ system in plants also. Organ system in plants. Then we'll look at maybe organism. We have the root system. The root system is here, made up of roots. Made up of roots. We have the tap root, the main root for anchorage. Then we have lateral roots. Lateral roots, maybe also referred to as secondary roots. The whole system is referred to as the root system. The root system is part of the plant that is in the soil, that lives inside the soil. Then we also have shoot system. The shoot system is part of the plant above the soil level. It's made up of the stem, leaves, flowers. This plant is Talinum triangulare. Talinum triangulare. We have Crotalaria retusa. You realize that, in fact, this is not a system because so I'm not showing the roots to you. I'm showing that this is a shoot system starting from here. How you have seen that? Starting from here, upward. You realize that we have fruits. This one, fruits will be formed by flowers. That's Talinum triangulare. They are both common exam specimen. So if you are given this in exam room, which level of organization is this? Shoot system or organ system. I hope it's clear. Which level of organization is this? Organ system. Specifically, shoot system. This is also organ system. Specifically, root system. The function of shoot system: photosynthesis, reproduction, dispersal. They are the functions of shoot system. The root system provides anchorage, absorption of water and mineral salts. So we have two main systems in a plant: the root system and the shoot system, where we can have the flower also for reproduction. Then let's look at example of organism in a plant. We have Crotalaria retusa. We have the shoot system and the root system, making a whole organism. So if you are given this in exam room, state the level of organization. It's an organism made up of roots and shoot system made up of stems, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Don't forget fruits for dispersal, flower for pollination, sexual reproduction, stem for support of leaves, fruits for dispersal. They are supported so that they can be dispersed easily. Flowers are supported, held in the right position for pollination. Leaves are supported to be held in the right position for photosynthesis. Roots support the whole plant. Roots anchor the whole plant in the soil So the plant will not be carried away by wind or water or animal passing. Roots also help in absorption of water and mineral salt for the plant, for nutrition. I hope it is clear. So this is an organism. We also have a whole organism of Talinum triangulare. What can you observe here? Observable features. Flowers, leaves, stem, roots, tap roots. In fact, Talinum triangulare, the tap root is swollen to store food so that when it stops raining for some time, during drought, this plant will not suffer. Where other plants are crying, organizing fasting and prayer, this one will not have any problem because it has water stored with tissue in the tap root. So that's the function of the tap root. Swollen tap root. Unlike this one that doesn't have a swollen tap root. So you can be asked to compare these two plants in the lab. This one has a swollen tap root for water storage. This one, the tap root is not swollen. It's not a storage organ. So this is a storage organ. It's a water storage organ. Fine. Thank you for being part of this lesson, Organism in Plant. Join us in the next lesson where we look at complexity. We'll summarize the level of organization of life and we'll look at the fact that some organisms are found only at cellular level, some are found at tissue level, some are found at organ level, and some as organisms. We'll look at advantages and disadvantages. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.